Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I decided to do a vlog style YouTube video because I'm using my vlogging camera to record this video, and I wanted to share an experience with you guys, so I figure I might as well just vlog it because it is what it is. Anyways guys, if you guys want to know what I'm talking about, keep watching. Today I'm gonna be trying a Donair for the first time. I should really point out it's not really my first time trying it because I did try it once. I bought burgers at a burger joint, but then I was too hungry. I didn't even taste what the Donair tasted like. It went by like that fast, so I decided that since that wasn't the experience I really wanted the Donair to be like, and I'm actually not supposed to be eating, like I'm actually doing intermittent fasting, but because I really wanted to do this video, I don't know when I'm going to end my fasting. I really wanted to do this video and put it out there. I am breaking my fast to share an experience with you guys. Talk about commitment. Anyways guys, so I decided to order on, I don't know where I'm going to use yet. I think I'm going to use DoorDash. Let's see what the options are. I'm opening my DoorDash app and making sure my address is so this is what DoorDash looks like, and I'm just gonna order Donair. So good, there's primetime Donair. So I should really tell you that primetime Donair is right across from my apartment, but I can't go there right now because I had a half a glass of wine. I cannot drink and drive with my license, so we're not doing that. So I've opened primetime Donair, and there are a couple of options. There's a regular beef Donair, and there's the beef poutine Donair, small fries, regular mixed Donair, regular chicken Donair, and okay, so I think I'm gonna go for the regular beef Donair, which looks like that. So from what I remember about trying it the other day, it tasted like it looked like shawarma, it tasted like shawarma, and I want to believe that it's a version of shawarma. So I'm just gonna select my order and let you guys know what I'm gonna order. So it's asking if I want cheese. I'm going to add cheese to it, and it's asking me to select a flavor. Oh my god. So I'm gonna, it has, I don't know if you guys can see that, it has spicy fire. So I'm guessing that's how spicy you want it. So I'm going to choose 8, 6, and 4 because this section here is required. If you can see here, it's required, so I have to choose. So I'm choosing the spicy one, and option 4 is giving me like 4 options. Now option 4 is green peppers, mushroom saute, no saute, and so I like green peppers, so I'm gonna put green pepper. And then option 3 is garlic sauce, no garlic sauce, sweet sauce, tzatziki sauce. I'm gonna put no sauce because I don't know. Or garlic sauce. And so option 7 is diced green peppers. It's your vegetables. So select 7. So I'm gonna do lettuce, pickles, tomatoes, green peppers. I'm supposed to choose 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Banana peppers and diced onions. That's 6. And there's the option for extra cheese, extra garlic sauce, extra meat. I think I'm gonna do extra meat. And yeah, so yeah, and yeah, I think that's all. So everything comes to about $16. I'm gonna add it to my order, and so total is $20.74. I wasn't expecting that, but I'm going to continue and just I really want to try it, so I'm gonna tip $2, and that's what you can see right now. So we're gonna wait for this to meet. It's so annoying that this place is right outside my apartment. It's literally across the road. It's in this. It's exactly where the store that I go to shop for my groceries is. But I cannot go there because I cannot drive, because I have taken alcohol. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna wait for my order has been confirmed. I just got an email on DoorDash, and so I'm just gonna wait for my order to be fulfilled. And yeah, so my order is almost here, and I'm just gonna go downstairs to pick her up. I'm wearing like tights and my shirt, and my shirt isn't one of those shirts I like wearing out. Anyways, all for you guys. The lighting is all way though. I think it's probably upstairs already. I'm coming upstairs. The one. Hi, is that a Donair? For the waffle?
Yes.
Yes, that's me saying that's coming downstairs.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. How's it going?
It's okay.
Busy?
Yes, busy on the dinner time, yeah.
Nice, nice, nice.
Have a good one.
You too. Stay safe. So I just got my Donair, but I want to check the mail real quick. No mail, so going back upstairs. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try it. Like, really try it. Really try it, guys. Oh my god. So I'm gonna put down my camera and then I'm gonna get upstairs and record. See you soon. So I just got back from getting my Donair, and so excited because this is what it looks like. It didn't come in like a bag, it just came in a plastic bag. The primetime place is really close to my house, like I mentioned, and I'm probably going to be going back there. Guys, It looks like a shawarma. I'm gonna take a picture. It freaking looks like a shawarma. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna post a picture, but it looks really messy. And so I'm gonna be trying this on camera for you guys. This is how large it is. I'm gonna be trying this on camera. Oh my god. It's so messy. Ew. So here it goes. So I can taste the beef, and I actually for extra beef, and I can taste the pickles also. So it's really spicy because I asked for 5 spicy 5 and spicy 8, and it's really spicy, which I'm not complaining about. And everything on the inside is just pouring out. It's really good. So this is really good, and it's really messy. Can you see my face? It's really good. I'm just gonna grab some water. Like I said, guys, it's spicy, but I'm not complaining. So a friend actually recommended Primetime Donair to me, and I'm not even disappointed, like, at all. It's so good. So this is the pickles and the beef. You know food is good when you have it all over your body. Oh my god. food all over the floor. On the floor, guys. So guys, this video just literally went from a trying video to a mukbang, like real quick. So my first impressions, you can still see how spicy that was. Like, it was really spicy. I really appreciate the spiciness. I love it. And so what are my impressions of the Donair? I love it. Like, I would eat it every day. You know how when I first tried poutine for the first time and I didn't like it? This is not the same thing. I really love this. This is like, I thought it was going to be like drunk food, like hungover food, or like messy. Like, it was messy, but like, you know, the kind of food that you just eat when you don't feel like eating. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but it was really nice. Obviously you guys could see how I went from keeping everything in check to being all messy and really gross about it. But anyways, I really enjoyed it because I really liked it. Anyways guys, that's my video for today. I'm not doing a full vlog. I just did a vlog style for this video. Let me know what you guys think of this video. If you want to try it, if you've ever tried it before. Oh my god, I feel like my nose is running. If you've ever tried Donair before, what are your thoughts? Would you recommend it? Is there any favorite place that you like to eat Donair from? If you do, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.